Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to add new nodes to the Jenkins environment. In this case, we need to establish a trusted connection between the main server and the node. And for doing that, we need to connect to the node with the SSH. I had the public keys ready, so I'm going to use it. Okay. This user Hugo9995 should exist in both environments. Okay, this is the IP to the remote machine. Okay, I'm going to add it to my known host file. Okay, I'm in the remote machine now. I'm going to exit to go back to the main one, and I'm going to enter to the SSH folder, and I'm going to cut the known host. As you can see, the new entry, the new footprint has been added. Okay, this is the first thing. We need to copy this known host file to the Jenkins home directory. In our case, this is the one. I'm going to go to var lib Jenkins, and here I'm going to create a new directory. Oh, my bad. Okay. Okay, I just copy that. Sorry, I just created the .ssh directory. I'm going to change the permissions, and I'm going to copy the known host file. Okay, to this directory. And now I'm going to change the owner to Jenkins so it can read the information to connect. Jenkins and .ssh. Okay, I'm going to ls.ssh, and as you can see, the known host is there. Okay, once we establish the trusted connection, we need to go to the Jenkins application and go to Manage Jenkins. We need to add new credentials so the Jenkins process can connect to the remote server. I'm going to add a new credentials here, which is a user and password. Add credentials. The user is the same. I'm going to type the password in. Here I'm going to type CentOS node, which is the ID for this new node. Okay. Okay, I'm not updating this one. Then I need to go to the Manage Jenkins again, and we need to find the option Manage Nodes and Clouds. Okay. Here we're going to add a new node in this option, new node, permanent agent. I'm going to type in CentOS node here, which is the node name. Okay, I can type in any description here, Linux node. I'm going to establish 4 executors for this machine, for this node. This one is important because you need to create a folder, you need to create a new path where Jenkins will copy a jar file, which is the agent to establish the connection. In my case, I just created this one called Jenkins node inside of the home directory. we can specify a label so you can group all of your nodes of the same type. Let's say you have 4 nodes Linux and 2 nodes Mac and 3 nodes Windows. You can group them by using this label. Then launch method, we are going to use launch agents via SSH, and the host, I'm going to specify the IP address, which is this one. I'm going to specify the credentials, and that's it. I'm going to save it. I'm going to go to the node and click the relaunch agent. So as you can see, my main Jenkins server is connecting remotely to the new node, which is a CentOS machine as well. And as you can see, the agent is successfully connected and online. You can see it here. Besides the master, I have the CentOS node with 4 executors. That way you can add more and more power to your environment. You can add more nodes, let's say a Mac node where you can build iOS applications, or you can also add Windows nodes. It's very powerful to have a complex environment by using remote nodes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.